Welcome everyone for this very first session German for beginners. So today we'll start with our first chapter which deals with all the alphabets and special characters used in German language. So in German language there are first 26 alphabets. They are exactly same as English alphabets. However, pronunciation is different. So pronunciation makes the difference between two languages. So let's start with A. A in English is pronounced as ah in German. Like the English word astronaut. So German word is first German word you learn is Apfel, which is actually apple. B is pronunciation as B, like the English word banana. Same in German is Banane. Banane. C in English is pronunciation as Se in German, like the pronunciation of C in English word ice. So corresponding German word Caesar. D is pronunciation as day in German. So like the D in English word is doll. So in German word Deutschland, Denmark. E is pronunciation as A. In English word say position of pronunciation of E in English word 10. 10. So German was elephant. Elephant. A of English is pronunciation F. F in German. Like the pronunciation of fish. Fish in the English word. So in the German word, same is pronunciation as fish. Come to the word G, which is called gay. In English word, like go. So in German was Gitarre, Giraffe. H is pronounced as ha, like English word house. So German also pronunciation house. Of course, the spelling is different, H-A-U-S. But one easy was this German was Hand. I is pronunciation as E in German, like English word easy. So in German, Indian, Italian. G is pronounced as yacht. So English word yogurt. So in German, it will be yogurt, or English of Johanna will be pronounced as Johanna in German. K is pronounced as Ka. In English word king, the pronunciation of K in English word is king. If you compare, so famous German was Katze, which is cat in German. Ale is pronunciation as eel. So it is the role of ale in the English word love, which is Liebe in German, or if you pronounce Lisa in German. M is pronunciation M, like the role of M in the English word man. The German word will be man. N will be pronounced as Ian. In English word night. So German was Nacht. O in English is pronounced as Oho in German. The If you look at this picture, it's a grandmother. So grandmother in German is called Oma. P is pronunciation as P, like the English word party, party. Q is pronunciation as Ku. So if you consider the English word quiz, so roll up Q in the English word quiz is equivalent to this Ku. So German word Quale, Quale. R in English is pronounced as an ear in German. So this is very specific pronunciation and it has got a big role of your tongue and throat. So in English there is no proper word which can represent this. However, in German you can say rot. Rot means red. S is pronunciation as yes. Like if you see the roll up word S in the English word sun. So in equivalent German is Sonne. Or Sunday is called Sonntag. T is called a te. Like in English, a T. So it's German also. T. U is pronunciation U. Like roll up U in the English word U. So German word Uhr. Uhr means clock. F is pronounced as Pau. Like English word for. So in German word Vogel. Vogel means bird. W is pronounced V. Like English word van. German word fuel. German word fuel. German word Wasser. Water. What means word. Wasser means water. X in English is pronounced as X in German. Like X-ray. X-ray English can be pronounced in German as X-ray. Y is Ypsilon. So it's not much of use and the pronunciation is almost same. Like yoga. Finally Z is pronounced as set. In English, word beats. So if you see the roll up TS jointly in bits, so same is there in German, like sight, zebra. Apart from these 26 English equivalent letters, there are 4 special letters that there. 3 are called umlauts and 1 is called surface. So umlaut is actually a special addition in German language to enhance or enrich the vocabulary. So there are 3 umlauts. A umlaut, which is actually A. O umlaut U, O, and U umlaut U. So short umlaut of A is EFL, long is Merchin. Short umlaut of O, Leufel, long umlaut John. Short U umlaut Mul, long umlaut Uben. And finally this S set is called surface. It's pronounced like kiss, hiss in English. So example in Germany, Straße. So overall review for this chapter that we have studied, there are 26 English letter equivalent plus 4 special, 3 umlaut and 1 sharp s. The R ear has no English equivalent. It is pronunciation wise, it is exclusively with German only, and the sharp s can never be at the beginning of a word. So with this, I am concluding this chapter and we'll continue with our next chapter. Thank you for now.